Hello, today's tip is how to thread your needle even when you can't see the eye of it any longer. A few months ago I found these adorable little hummingbird threaders that are very durable, and they work really great for what we need them to do. They have a thread cutter on the back. It's made out of hard plastic, and there's a guard that protects your beak so it doesn't get bent. And the beak is a stainless steel shaft that goes through the eye of the needle. And then at the end of the shaft is a hook that you put your thread on, and it'll just slide into the hook and hang there. Then you hold the thread taut, and you slide the needle off of the beak, and there's your thread. It's threaded. There you go. Every time it'll thread for you. And it's, like I said, I've had this several months, and it's held up very well to being handled and used. They come in 3 colors, blue, pink, and green, and they are available on our website, thewhimsicalworkshop.com. I hope you've enjoyed our tip today.
I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, make sure you like and subscribe below. You can find the Whimsical Workshop on our website, thewhimsicalworkshop.com, and that has all links to all of our other social media platforms. Thanks for joining us.